What's happening, everybody? Boy Big Brandoh, and today we got another boxing session coming to you from Cork Clothing. Homie Deezy Bike Life shot us a package. Let's get into it. Now, if you've seen my video where I'm talking about a lot of different YouTube pages that I watch, Deezy Bike Life was one of the dudes that I mentioned on there. Really cool cat, young dude doing his thing. Anything on two wheels he's putting up in the air. And the cool thing about him is he has his own clothing brand, but at the same exact time he's out there doing it, stunting, he's acting, he's doing a bunch of different stuff on his own. So really out here grinding. I appreciate that, and I really respect his hustle. So let's check out what he sent over. Get right into it. Nothing else in the bag. Here we go. 2X. You see it, cork it. Let's open this up. Boom. These little stickers right here are clean, man. I'm not exactly sure if he's doing the graphics. I think he is. He got some little stickers. These are going on the bike. Oh, this one right here is crazy. I'm gonna get money, bro. Yeah. Hopefully this is in focus. Let me see. Catching that. There we go. Very clean stickers. Like I said, I'm not 100% sure if he's doing the graphics, but if he is, the idea and execution is crazy, man. I can fuck with this. Alright, let's see. Oh yeah. So he's out here doing shorts, man. Let's check this out. Nobody sent out no shorts. Check this out. Here's the Cork logo right here. You see the phone with the cork in it. So let's check it out. Less talk, more work. You see it. If you don't know anything about Deezy, he's out here really in the streets, really putting that wheel up in the air and getting that work in. These shorts right here are crazy, man. So a lot of people ask me about sweat shorts and stuff like that, joggers. I don't really know where to source these, but these right here are fully done up. You got the custom side going down the edge right here. You got the embroidered logo right here. Double XL. These things are crazy right here. Very crazy. Yo, I mess with these right here, man. It's gonna look cool with some J's on. Appreciate you, Deezy, for sending these out. Keep killing it. Keep grinding, my bro. Very, very dope stuff right here. Hopefully, I'll see him out on a ride. Haven't ran into him lately, but he's out there at all the big events, really crushing stuff. Deezy, I appreciate you. First person to send some shorts in over here. And these things came out crazy. I can't even tell what the side is done on. I don't know if that's polyester and they sublimated that. Not 100% sure, but that is a cool hit, man. Obviously, you could see it. Cork it. Less talk, more work. You know what I mean? It's all about action. You know what I mean? It's not just about saying what you're about to do. It's about actually doing what you want to do. You know what I mean? Deezy, I appreciate you. Keep grinding, keep killing out there, bro. Appreciate you for sending these out. I for sure will be rocking these. And shit, I'll probably be rocking them on a ride soon. You know what I mean? Might catch you on a 4130 or something like that. Appreciate you, bro. Thanks for sending it out. I'm gonna leave the link to everything in the description box. Cork Clothing. You see his Instagram right there, Cork Clothing, or you can follow him at Deezy Bike Life. Very cool cat, very young dude, actually out here doing it, man. So I can't stress that enough because he's out here really getting it. You know what I mean? If you want to be featured on Boxing Session, all you got to do is send the package to the address that's in the description box. If you don't want to be filmed or you don't want your package open, let me know. You can send me an email or write it on the box, and I will not make a video about it. But if you do want to be on Boxing Session, send it over and I'll try to get to it as soon as possible. The P.O. box fills up really quick. It takes me a little time to get over there and actually empty it out and get all the packages and stuff like that. Sift through a lot of the stuff, the people that want to be on Boxing Session, the people that don't want to be on there. So by the time I actually get around to doing it, it might be a little longer than expected, but the videos will be made. A lot of times I open them on live sessions, stuff like that. All right. So Cork Clothing, appreciate you, Deezy. Appreciate you for sending this out. And catch you guys on the next one, man. Yeah.